everyone, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Choosing a perfect furniture for a small living area or for a family hall can be challenging, especially when you want it to look stylish, spacious and comfy, along with ample seating space where you can sit and have fun with your family and friends. Thanks to Woodenstreet for sponsoring today's video. So today I'm going to show you how to give a makeover with the smart furniture to a small living room with lots of greenery. But before we start, let's talk about Woodenstreet and my experience on product delivery.
Woodenstreet is one of the finest custom furniture store in India, and I ordered 2 lounge chairs in aqua floral prints and a coffee table made of shisham wood with 4 stools with matching fabric seat and a white color rug. The delivery was fast with free installation service. My products got delivered within 4 days only. Woodenstreet have more than 30 stores across India and they provide pan-India delivery and installation service. Woodenstreet have 4 experience stores in Bangalore, in HSR, Whitefield, Kalyan Nagar and JP Nagar, with upcoming store in Indiranagar. So you can visit their store and have an idea about wood quality and finishes. Alright, let me show you the look of my family hall before makeover. We have a swing and few bean bags here. Earlier we had a single mattress there which I used for floor seating. So I started with removing everything from the family hall, and you can see how small area it is. So we couldn't go for a heavy sofa set. So for the makeover, I started with removing the wall stickers and I had put white wallpapers on the shelves to give it a subtle look. And then I kept these lounge chairs by the wall right in front of TV. Friends, there are offers going on in store as well as on their website, up to 55% off with extra 20% off on website. Avail the offer with the coupon code FREEDOM. And then I changed the curtains again in light color to make it look spacious, as bold colors make any small room look congested. And then I added these beautiful cushions which are blending in beautifully with these chairs. Now it's time to put few decor pieces on the shelf, and then I added lots and lots of greenery all around. The combination of white and green looks really refreshing. All these plants are air purifier indoor plants, and the room gets plenty of sunlight, so keeping them indoors is not at all a problem. Now comes the beautiful rug again in white color, and this coffee table with 4 cushioned stools is my absolute favorite. Looks compact when kept under the table and can be taken out for seating as and when needed. Made of shisham wood with neat finish, a highly recommended product for a small room if you need ample seating space with big coffee table. So this is pretty much done. I just added a terrarium on the table and I replaced swing with single bean bag so that the room doesn't look overcrowded. And here comes the final look post makeover.
So how was it? I hope you liked today's video. Do check out their website. I have mentioned all the products links along with their website link in the description box. They have many offers going on. So have a look and share your experiences with me. I will come up with one more interesting video soon. Bye bye.